Do you ever need to update your team about a project in WhatsApp but want it to sound more professional? Let's see how Composer on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can help. First, open WhatsApp and start a new chat with your team. Tap the text wheel to bring up the keyboard. On the keyboard, tap the writing assist icon, then select Composer. Type your main idea. Then tap the format menu on the bottom left. Choose standard. Next, tap the tone menu on the bottom right and then select professional. Now tap generate. Once Composer finishes, you will get a polished message. If needed, you can adjust the length to standard or detail by tapping this icon and use the buttons below to refresh, copy, or insert the text. So if you want to keep your WhatsApp project update clear and professional, Composer helps you sound confident in just a few taps. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.